Now let's say we want to receive the user input as a string and then print it on the screen. So in here what I do is to create a character array. Let's name it B with the size of, for example, just 6, and now we say scan, or actually I want to use this scanf in here. Instead of D we say S, but instead of ampersand A we just say B. The reason you should completely know actually by now, because B, we said that the name of the arrays is just a pointer to the first element. So B would be just the address of the first element in this array, so we won't need to add a ampersand. And after that we would just want to pass the address of B, change this to B to get both the address of the first element, actually B and not ampersand B. Again, B is the address of the first element, and also we want to print the string that the B is pointing to. So in here I would just save it and say gcc read input.c-o read input and hit enter, and in here we execute the read input. Let's say hello and hit enter, and as you see we have printed the user input as a string, and this is the address of the first element of H